So I'm Bruce, and today we're going to look at how to get started in the Active Learning Classroom N-515 if you are new to this classroom. So first thing we want to do is make sure that we're signed in to the teacher's computer. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we sign into the teacher's computer with our proper password. And then once we're signed in, we can share our screens. So the typical setup, let me just open up a page here. Right, so the typical setup would be, I would want to make sure I've selected the teacher's machine from the Crestron control, and then send to all. And then now we can see that my screen is being projected to all 6 of the smart boards. The other typical layout would be room layout preset, and in this one, what's happening is the individual screens from the individual pods. So for instance, here you can see smartboard computer. This computer is projecting onto that smartboard screen. The next thing that might be interesting is on the desktop there should be a smartboard or a smart notebook. And then with Smart Notebook, as well as other things, we can write, add notes, and things like that. So you can see here with our pen, make sure it's connected. So that's one way of adding notes. The other one is, obviously I've got it set up so that I can use my pen to write, and or I can use my, my finger to interact as well. And so the other thing that we can do is we can annotate web pages, Chris, right on the board. And then the third possible way of interacting is if you just start writing right on the desktop, it will come up with this Smart Ink note so that you can put together some notes kind of ad hoc. I hope this helps.